So let me show you my boat. This is a boat designed by Bryan of Nova Scotia. This is called his Daisy design. This is a 15-foot lapstrake wood sailing skiff. It's a pretty substantial boat for 15 feet. But there's not any metal, mechanical parts to it. Features, of course, are 2 rowing stations, a set of 8-foot oars, tiller, rudder, mast, and then 2 booms. And this is where, let me show you where the mast steps. Okay, see this thing right here? That's the mast step. The mast, down here at the mast step on the bottom of the hull, the mast steps in that rectangular place, and then you just stand it up and you tie it off just like you would cleat anything else off. You just wrap this around the mast and cleat it off, and the mast is in there. That's it. The sail is crunchy like new. This is the cute little centerboard handle arrangement that Harry came up with. Of course, that's the main sheet block. The thing to remember about this boat, though, it's not new. This is a 10-year-old boat. Now, it's dirty. I haven't cleaned it, so anything you're seeing, any little imperfections you're seeing in it is pretty much dirt. Dust and road dust and stuff that gets on it, you know, like that. That just wipes off. You see that? You know, it's not without its little nooks, nicks, and dings, but nothing to write home about, nothing to be afraid of. This is just from getting on and off the trailer. Just needs to be cleaned. But it's a very well made boat, and it's a cute boat. And you can see how much room it's got in it. You could definitely take 3 adults comfortably, and possibly even 4 for a sail. And under oars or motor, my gosh, you could load it up. You could probably put 6 people in it, 2 on each thwart. So that's it. Pretty straightforward, very simple. 15-foot Bryan Daisy. So what I want to do here is I want to show you how easy it is to step the mast. You're looking directly in the center of the video, you're looking at the mast partner. What you see in the bottom in the photo is the mast step. And of course, this is the mast right here. And the mast has on the bottom a cutout, a notch. I'll show you. Right there. And that notch goes down onto the mast step. That notch right there fits down into the bottom of the boat at the mast step. So let me show you how easy this is to do. So this is all it takes to step the mast on this boat. How long did that take? Not too long, I would think. And that's it. That's pretty much it. And so the way the sail gets raised is you just haul up on the halyard, of course, and then you tie the snodder, which is this little fella here, around the mast and cleat it. And that's it. That's all there is to setting up this boat and getting it ready to go sailing. That's it. And as you can see, it's a pretty roomy boat. It's a big 15-foot boat. I would call it a big 15-foot boat. So anyway, you got 3 seats back here, or 3 seated positions. Of course, you're going to have the rudder and the tiller in the middle. And then you've got 2 thwarts up there. And then you have 2 rowing stations. So if you're rowing with 3 or 4 people, the rower is going to sit up there and row off the forward set of oarlocks. They are brass, by the way. So that's the boat.